When people think of African travel, names like Kenya or Tanzania come to mind, but tucked away in the heart of East Africa is a hidden gem, Burundi, a country small in size but massive in beauty. Today, we're exploring the top 5 natural wonders of Burundi, from breathtaking waterfalls to majestic mountains and wildlife-filled national parks. First on our list, Karera Waterfalls. Located in the southeast of Burundi, this series of waterfalls is one of the country's most spectacular sights. With lush greenery, cool mist in the air, and the sound of rushing water, it feels like stepping into a nature documentary. The falls aren't just a tourist spot, locals also consider them culturally significant. And next up, Mount Heha, the highest peak in Burundi at 2,670 meters above sea level. It offers stunning views of the surrounding hills, Lake Tanganyika, and even glimpses into neighboring countries on clear days. For hikers, it's a challenging yet rewarding climb, and for photographers, it's pure gold. You can't talk about Burundi without mentioning Lake Tanganyika, the world's second deepest and second largest freshwater lake by volume. Its crystal clear waters are home to hundreds of unique fish species, and its beaches are perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploring. Fun fact, this lake is so old, it's believed to be over 9 million years old. In the northwest, we find Kibira National Park, a pristine rainforest that was once a sacred hunting ground for Burundian kings. It's home to over 200 species of birds, chimpanzees, and other primates. The forest canopy and the cool mountain climate make it a refreshing escape from city life. Last but not least, Rusizi National Park. Just outside Bujumbura, this park follows the Rusizi River and is known for its incredible wildlife. You might spot hippos basking in the sun, crocodiles lurking in the waters, and flocks of exotic birds flying overhead. From towering mountains to roaring waterfalls, from ancient lakes to wildlife-rich parks, Burundi is a land of wonders waiting to be explored. Which of these natural treasures would you visit first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through Burundi, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world.